Episode 5 Difference between efficiency and effectiveness.
Hi, my friends. Have you come across this problem? You work very hard, you work 10 hours, 12 hours a day, you don't take rest, you use all the resources given to you, but still you don't produce the result. Nobody can find fault with you that you are lazy. Nobody can find fault with you that you are not sincere. You slog it out, but you don't succeed. In order to know why is this happening, you should know the difference between efficiency and effectiveness. In simple words, efficiency means doing the things right. A job is given to you, you do it right. For example, you have to meet 10 customers, you meet all the 10 customers. You have to send 10 proposals, you send all the 10 proposals. You had to work on 10 missions, you work on all the 10 missions. You are efficient. You have to work 10 hours, you work 10 hours, you are efficient. But effectiveness is not doing things right, it's about doing the right thing. I want you to understand the difference. Doing things right is different from doing the right thing. Doing the right thing is effectiveness. For example, if you have to do 10 different things, there is one thing which is the right thing to do. Maybe the right thing to do is not to do any of the 10 things, but think creatively and do the 11th thing which can produce the result which doing 10 things will not produce. I hope you are not confused. Let me give an example. Let's say that you are a salesman and you have to produce a sales worth of 10 lakhs this month. And you have 10 customers. You work hard, meet all the 10 customers and get the orders. But if you think carefully, if you use your creativity, if you do a market research, maybe there are the 11th, 12th or 13th customers whom are not known to you. If you go and meet them, maybe they will give you much more orders than these 10 customers have given. This is the difference between doing things right and doing the right thing. Again, this is closely linked to working hard and working smart. Working hard is working at the peak of your efficiency. Working smart is doing things which are right things to do. The question is, should you work hard or work smart? In fact, both of them are required. Should you be efficient or effectiveness? Both of them are required. If you carefully read these words, efficiency and effectiveness, there is a word within a word in the word effectiveness. Effectiveness, which means there is a result. You have to produce a result. An effective person will look at the process of doing it. He will audit whether his process is okay. He will check whether he is on the right job. Let me give a simple example. You have to climb a mountain for doing something. You climb, you are efficient. But an effective person will check, is this the right mountain to climb? Let me give an organizational example. Let's say that you have to sell a product. You sell a product. You work 26 days a month. You work several years. You don't see the result. But you've been working very hard. Maybe you are in a wrong product line. Maybe you are in a wrong marketplace. Maybe you are with the wrong customer base. An effective person will check, is this the right thing to do? While an efficient person will be very meticulous in planning the sales call, meeting the customers and doing everything that is required, an effective person will start looking at the revenue per sales call, the booking per sales call. He will try to improve his presentation skill. He will try to improve his rapport with the customers. Maybe he will not meet a customer, but he'll be planning how to meet a customer. So you need to be very, very clear as to what is effectiveness and what is efficiency. If you do not know the difference between these, you will be working very hard but producing lesser result. You will be working hard but not producing enough result. So ask yourself, am I doing things right? Am I doing the right thing? Both these questions are important.
ABS Vidyalaya, ABS Vidyalaya.
கற்கும் கல்வி நன்றாய் கற்கும் இடம் ஒன்றே.
மெட்ரிக் பாடம் என்றால் ஊர் மெச்சும் இடம் ஒன்றே.
டிஜிட்டல் திரையில் கணினி முறையில் தெளிவாய் கற்க நீ வா.
கல்வியோடு கலைகள் அனைத்தும் எளிதாய் கற்க நீ வா.
ABS விண்ணை தோட தன்னை தரும் ABS வெற்றி தரும் மார்க்கம் ABS சுற்றும் உலகின் உச்சம் காட்டும் ABS வித்யாலயா.
தரமான மெட்ரிக் பாடத்திட்டத்துடன் ABS வித்யாலயா திருவள்ளூர்.
ABS வித்யாலயா.